Transition level, flight level 70, taxiway Bravo, closed. Surface wind 250 degrees, 9 knots. Visibility 10 kilometers or more, cloud. Fuel at 2,100 feet, temperature 1, 2, viewpoint 9, QNH 1016, hexapentals.
Golf Lima Oscar Tango Echo, ready for departure.
Golf Lima Oscar Tango Echo, hold.
This is Bournemouth information. Whiskey at time 1220. Runway in use 26. Airfield information. Transition level, flight level 70. Taxiway Bravo closed. Surface wind 250 degrees, 9 knots. Visibility 10 kilometers or more, clouds. Fuel at 2,100 feet, temperature 1, 2, viewpoint 9, QNH 1016,
Golf November Lima, QNH 1016, taxi holding point November, runway 26 via Whiskey Mike November.
QNH 1016, I've got Whiskey. Taxi to November for runway 26 via Whiskey Mike and November. Golf Delta Alpha November Lima. That's A340 taking off.
Hello, Zulu Juliet Tango, tell Charlie, information Whiskey, resting start clearance.
Go! There it is.
Duchess, roger. Golf Delta Alpha November Lima, hold position, your clearance is to leave on track Stony Cross, not above 2,000 feet, VFR squawk 7377.
Squawk 7377 on track to leave not above 2,000 feet, Stony Cross, Golf Delta Alpha November Lima.
Golf November Lima, correct, hold position.
Hold position, Golf November Lima.
Golf November Lima, line up runway 26.
Line up runway 26, Golf November Lima.
Golf November Lima, surface wind 250 degrees, 12 knots, runway 26, clear for takeoff, right turn out.
Clear for takeoff, right turn out, Golf November Lima. Okay, lined up on the center line. 1700. Peace in the green. Rotate, blue line, tap, gears up.
Golf November Lima, traffic inbound from the north to join right base is DA40.
Copy the traffic, looking, Golf November Lima.
Golf November Lima, contact Bournemouth radar 119.480.
119.0. Thank you, bye. Bournemouth radar, this is Golf Delta Alpha November Lima, tracking to its Stony Cross.
Delta Alpha November Lima, Bournemouth radar, report Stony Cross. Continue not above 2,000 feet, VFR, with traffic south of you inbound on the following approaches and vertical.
Copy the traffic, not above 2,000 feet, report Stony Cross, Golf November Lima.
Golf November Lima, are you routing west of the solar zone or are you looking to transit through the controlled airspace?
I'll route west of the zone, but if I can stay with you until I go to Farnborough, that'd be much appreciated, Golf November Lima.
Roger, basic service you have, report when you wish to leave the frequency.
Basic service, and we'll report leaving, climbing to 3005 now, Golf November Lima.
Roger. Golf X Bravo, can leave the orbit now, join on a right base runway 26.
Leave the orbit, join right base, runway 26, Golf X Bravo.
Actually, Bravo, contact Bournemouth Tower, 125.605.
Tower 125.605, so Fisher Bravo, good day.
Bournemouth radar, good afternoon. To Juliet Echo Zulu Alpha, descending flight level 70 towards thread at the moment, and after needle we're told to fly 250 degrees.
2 Juliet Echo Zulu Alpha, Bournemouth, good afternoon. Vectors on at runway 26, information Yankee, QNH 1016, descend to altitude 4,000 feet.
Descend altitude 4,000 feet, QNH 1016, and we have Yankee 20 Alpha.
Zulu Alpha, 10 vectors on at runway 26, report your heading.
Vectors ILS 26 and heading is 015 degrees, 20 Alpha.
20 Alpha, consider that as a radar heading. You've got 3 track miles, runway stages, thumb.
And continue the present heading of 015, 20 Alpha.
November, just ensure you remain clear of the silent control zone. Nothing further to affect you now. Port 7000, steady with Farnborough 125.25.
Remaining outside controlled airspace, 125.25 for Farnborough radar. Thanks for having me. Bye. Golf November Lima.
Golf Delta Alpha November Lima, Farnborough radar. Good morning, push message. Good afternoon, even.
Good afternoon. Golf Delta Alpha November Lima is a BE-76. Currently a beam to Bolton 1016 indicating 3,500 feet, heading from Bournemouth back to Blackbushe, requesting a traffic service. Golf November Lima.
Golf November Lima, Roger, QNH 1015, basic service, initially Squawker 0440.
Squawking 0440, basic service initially, I've got 1015, Golf November Lima. Right above the clouds, heading towards Nigget.
Golf November Lima, identified traffic service, reduce traffic information on the edge of my coverage.
Traffic service, and for planning purposes, I'm routing towards Nigget. From Nigget, we'll be going direct Blackbushe, Golf November Lima.
Roger.
It's where we go. I grow wings and tell her goodbye. It's not what we see, it's what we choose to be.
2 a.m. in the car playing our favorite song. Turn it up, windows down, we sing along.
Right, that's a descent through the clouds and capturing 2,000 feet. 9 miles out, I have it in sight. And let's go to descend.
Golf November Lima, traffic 10 o'clock, 4 miles left to right, indicating 700 feet below Cherokee.
Copy traffic, we'll be looking. Blackbushe is inside, request QSY Blackbushe 122.305.
Golf November Lima, Roger, radar service terminated, squawk comes to QT, bye-bye.
Squawking 7010, going to 122.305, thank you, bye-bye. Blackbushe traffic, this is Golf Delta Alpha November Lima, coming up to the dead side, squawking 7010, be joining with a left-hand circuit to land on runway 25, Golf November Lima. Blackbushe traffic, Golf November Lima is now final to land, runway 25 for full stop, Golf November Lima, Blackbushe traffic. Reds, greens and blues. 76 knots. 3 greens.
So alive, and tonight I'm thinking that I don't wanna go. Oh, this is everything with
Up. Top flaps. Off. Blackbushe traffic, Golf November Lima is now taxiing to parking at Blue Plane.
this is everything with you right next to me. So alive.